You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but it gets too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? 그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿.
Hi everyone, come with me today. I'm moving to a new dormitory where I'm going to live for the next 3 weeks. I'm going to meet my new roommates. But first, let's have some coffee. I found this very cute cafe in Arirang, which is in the north of Seoul. And I had some coffee and salty croissant, which is very popular here. And then I took the subway from Arirang to Bucheon City. And if you guys live in Seoul, you know how long this distance is. It took me around 1.5 hours in the subway. I had to switch lines twice. But I made it in Bucheon City, finally. And even though my luggage was really heavy, a lot of people actually helped me. Korean people were the nicest in my trip. So come with me. I arrived. Come with me to meet my new roommates. They were actually very nice people. You're gonna get to meet them in the next few vlogs. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. Hi. Sorry. I'm Asma. Hi. Catherine. Egypt. And you? Germany. On Thursday, but like at midnight.
Everything paper, cup, or whatever, then hot plastic, and just plastic. And so be careful with that one. Just doing dishes up. We are allowed to use this ramen.
Really?
And this rice, and apparently there is bread.
Just so you know, everyone has the first 2 lessons.
What do you mean?
So there's a schedule that he posts on the group chat. He's not posted it yet. I'm gonna put it on.
After I met my roommates, I did some work and then I went to my first job in Korea, which is part of the program I was traveling with. After we finished work, I went out with my roommates. We walked around a little bit in Bucheon City. We decided to have some Korean fried chicken and we took some amazing photos, so come with me, let's see
So you
it.
can say, where are we going to?
Are we going to have a fried chicken?
Yes.
We walked around a little bit until we found a restaurant, which was a very, very nice restaurant, by the way. Every restaurant in Korea has this screen where you can order from, so you don't have to talk to anyone, which is great for introverts. The chicken was amazing. It was crunchy, but it was, in my opinion, it was too sweet. But I mean, taste is very subjective, so it's, you know, it depends on what you like. And if you guys have ever been in Asia, you know about these photo rooms where you can go and wear very funny costumes and take pictures with your friends, and we had so much fun. I love these rooms. It's one of my favorite things to do whenever I'm in an Asian city. Asian country.
I wanna run away, but no light buy a ticket. Travel miles on a plane to go somewhere further, but I'm done without a space controlled by retrograde. I've got too much on my plate. 너 그래 너 요새 너 조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니.
It's 37 degrees, so I need to choose something to wear that's light and not going to make me want to fall asleep.
하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여. 이상하고 아름다운 느낌이 좋아.
Now I'm going to the bookstore. I am I think I'm gonna miss the museum because I'm too lazy. I prefer having coffee than going to a museum of history. I mean, I love Korea, but don't get me wrong, but I'm not interested in any museums or any history.
It took me more than 1 hour to get to the center of Seoul. If you live in Seoul, you know it takes so long. It's a huge, huge city. It takes you usually around 1 hour to get to anywhere. But honestly, subway is very nice, beautiful, and clean. Kyobo, I arrived. This is a bookstore. It's called Kyobo. It's one of the biggest bookstores in Korea. They have many branches, by the way. It's not just this one in the center. But you can literally find books on everything you're looking for. They also have very cute stationery, notebooks, pens. Even if you like webtoons or manga or comics, they have all the collections you can ever imagine. They also have this section on books in Korea. Guys, they have the topic books for learners from all levels, like from A1 till C2. They even have Talk to Me in Korean books. They're all so good. Yeah, I don't know which one to get because they are just so expensive, all of them. I really wanted to get like a practice book because I like writing. My friends are here, finally. Oh wow, I didn't even see the section and I was here for like hours. Yeah. So I found all the books from Talk to Me in Korean. So cute. Let me show you what I got from Kyobo. I got this book from Talk to Me in Korean, and the illustrations are the best thing about this book. Honestly, it's really nice. It's full of exercises, grammar rules, reading, like everything. I love it. I also got this short stories in Korean, and I read a lot in it. I've been using it a lot. You can see how it's already damaged because I use it so much. I also got this book, which is another reading book because I need to work on my reading skills. This one is like much easier skills, like it gives you just a short paragraph with illustrations and then each sentence with the English translation in front of it. The vocabulary is used in this chapter with a cultural tip. This is the best thing that I found. I found it in the stationery. If you guys know me, you know that I love planners, and this one is the best planner I've ever gotten because it's huge. You have the whole month and it's very big, guys. You have no idea, and I can write so many things here. I also got this little vocabulary note, which is really nice. I can carry it anywhere, and the best thing about it is that you can flip one side so you can see the meaning, or flip this one so you can see the word while you're studying, so you can like test yourself. So I really like that, and you can put it in any page. I got 2 highlighters and this pen, so there's nothing special about it. It's just a gel pen, but yeah. So that's everything that I got from Kyobo. I didn't get this from Kyobo, I got from Namsan Tower, but you're gonna see it in another video where I go to Namsan Tower, and it's gonna be a really nice vlog. Just let me know if you guys want to watch more of my vlogs or not. I'll be very happy if you leave me a comment. Have a nice day.
You're gonna hear